Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Clickbank sign-up page and entering your verified email. This ties the account to you. Once done, type your legal name or business name exactly as on your ID so payments clear. Next, set a strong password and record it in a secure manager. This prevents lockouts. You should also decide whether to use Payoneer or direct deposit now, because payment setup comes next and saves repeated form filling later. Now complete the detailed profile. Add address, phone, and tax info so payments and tax forms process correctly. Once done, choose your payout method and enter bank or Payoneer details carefully. Mismatched names cause holds. Verify your phone number when prompted to unlock seller features. Make a marketplace nickname for tracking sales. It cannot contain special characters. Finally, review privacy and security preferences. To ensure notifications and refund handling, finish by clicking the verification email and logging in to confirm everything works. This finalizes your account. Once logged in, view payout settings and watch for a small test deposit which confirms banking accuracy. If it appears, you're ready to promote products. If something goes wrong, first check spam for verification, then ensure the legal name matches your bank exactly, and finally open a support ticket with screenshots. This speeds resolution and gets your account live.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.